आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज नाउ 24/7। ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।
दिल्ली में आयोजित स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ के उद्घाटन समारोह में केंद्रीय वाणिज्य और उद्योग मंत्री पीयूष गोयल ने भारतीय स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम को नई दिशा में सोचने की जरूरत पर बल दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि भारतीय स्टार्टअप्स को अब केवल सुविधा आधारित सेवाओं से आगे बढ़कर प्रौद्योगिकी, इनोवेशन और गहरी समस्याओं के समाधान की ओर अग्रसर होना चाहिए। उन्होंने कहा, आज भारत के स्टार्टअप क्या कर रहे हैं? हम फूड डिलीवरी ऐप्स पर ध्यान केंद्रित कर रहे हैं और बेरोजगार युवाओं को सस्ते मजदूर बना रहे हैं ताकि अमीर लोग अपने घर से निकले बिना खाना पा सकें। इसके विपरीत उन्होंने उदाहरण देते हुए बताया कि चीनी स्टार्टअप्स कैसे इलेक्ट्रिक मोबिलिटी और बैटरी तकनीक में निवेश कर रहे हैं और इस क्षेत्र में वैश्विक नेतृत्व स्थापित कर रहे हैं।
And I have a lot of nice things I can talk to you, but I want to put up a slide which a friend sent me 3 days ago. Can you put it on? It disturbed me a lot. And my reply to him was very inspiring. Why I'm telling you what my reply to this was, because I want each one of you to go back with this slide in your mind. And I hope each one of you will take an inspiration from this slide. If it's small in print, what I would urge the organizers to do is actually put up a big board of this somewhere in the exhibition hall tomorrow morning so that everybody reads it once. हो सकता है कि कोई लोग मेरी आलोचना भी कर सकते हैं कि तुम दूसरे देश से क्यों कंपेयर कर रहे हो। मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है, हमने सीखना होता है। We have to be willing to evolve, we have to be willing to learn, we want to aspire to be bigger and better, then we have to be bolder, and we should not fight shy of the competition. After all, we are the world's 3rd largest startup ecosystem, but I'm sure each one of you aspires that India should be the world's largest startup ecosystem. We have the world's largest STEM graduates coming out of India, year on year. And 43% of them are our sisters and daughters. And there's no reason why this slide cannot be a foreteller of the future for us. What are India's startups doing today? We are focused on food delivery apps, turning unemployed youth into cheap labor so the rich can get their meals without moving out of their house. And against that, what does a Chinese startup do? Work on developing electric mobility, battery technologies, and with that, they're today dominating the electric mobility ecosystem. We are very proud of what India has done. But are we the best in the world as yet? Not yet. Should we aspire to be? Or are we going to be happy being delivery boys and girls? Look at the second one. I've been going through a lot of our startup success stories, and when I go all over the country, we often have startup presenting to us what work they're doing. Fancy ice cream and cookies. In fact, I know at least 3 or 4 billionaires whose children make on one brand or the other very fancy ice creams and cookies and run a very successful business, and I have no complaint against that. But is that the destiny of India? क्या भारत का भविष्य उससे संतुष्ट है? Healthy ice cream, zero gluten free, whatever, I don't know, vegan, ये सब शब्द लगा के अच्छी पैकेजिंग करके हम स्टार्टअप बोलते हैं अपने आप को। ये स्टार्टअप नहीं है, ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है, ये बिजनेस है। दूसरी तरफ सेमीकंडक्टर्स में ग्रोथ हो रही है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खुद की अपने देश की बन रही है लोगों की। दे आर इन्वेस्टिंग हेविली टू बिकम सेल्फ रिलायंट, बिल्डिंग चिप्स, AI मॉडल्स which will prepare the nation for the future. भारत ने क्या करना है? आइसक्रीम बनानी है या चिप्स बनाने हैं? उसके लिए हम सबको हिम्मत करनी पड़ेगी। और ये इतना ही मैं इन्वेस्टर्स को भी कह रहा हूं अमन गुप्ता, शार्क टैंक में जरा चेंज करो अपने पर्सपेक्टिव्स को. Third example, instant grocery delivery. I had not planned this, by the way. When I was sitting there, I opened my talking points. मेरे पास बड़े अच्छे talking points दिए हैं मेरी टीम ने. I read it and I said, अगर ये लोग organically आए हैं और अगर इसमें से मैं एक शब्द भी बोलूं तो इतना नक्की है कि स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ नंबर 3 में एम्प्टी हॉल को एड्रेस करने आऊंगा. That's when I asked Prashant. I took out my phone. I said, Prashant, I got this 3 days back. Is it okay if I pull it up on the screen and discuss this with the audience? That's when I asked my colleague to show it to all of you. Instant grocery delivery, latest hot on the block. I have no problems. He can list at a few $1 billion. I'm very happy. I only wish it had more Indian investors rather than the foreigners buying off all our startups. And ये सिद्धार्थ आप सबके लिए चेतावनी है. We need more Indian investors into the game. Again, of course, I won't comment on what it's making people and how our resources are going only towards hyper-fast logistics. And look at what the other side is doing. Robotics, automation, machine learning, preparing themselves for 3D manufacturing, next gen factories that are more efficient and that compete with the rest of the world and capture markets. हम रोते रह सकते हैं, चॉइस हमारी है. यहाँ युवा पीढ़ी होने के कारण मैंने ये पुटअप किया. Are we as the future of India? और 2047 में शायद भुवनेश्वर को छोड़ के मे बी मैडम हम में से तो और कोई नहीं होगा. फ्रंट रो के भी इस तरफ के लोग छोड़ दो तो उस तरफ के लोग तो शायद नहीं होंगे. अमन यार तेरे को बाहर रख रहा हूं. You all are the sculptors of New India. You have to make Viksit Bharat 2047 happen. And that is eminently possible when we start looking at the right side of that chart which we'll put up at the exhibition hall. We'll need to go global. We'll need to think big. We'll need to be ambitious. We'll need to experiment. We'll need to go beyond the boundaries of our own thinking. Let's not limit ourselves with the past. Let's explore the unknown. And frankly, when we look at deep tech and when I see the numbers are still probably 1,000 companies, 1,000 startups in the deep tech ecosystem, it is a disturbing sign. Wealth creation in the short run may happen with some of these conveniences. पर दुकानदारी का ही काम करना है हमें या विश्वव्यापी और इंटरनेशनल स्केल का भारत की पहचान बनानी है. That, friends, is the choice before us. We may do all sorts of international trade agreements, and today under Prime Minister Modi's guidance and leadership, we are not aiming small. We are not looking at agreements with countries who are in a situation which is even worse than what India is in. That used to be the Congress culture. They would do agreements with countries like, who are much weaker than us. What Modi ji does is agreements with Australia. We are aspiring to do an agreement with the EU, the 27 nation bloc, with UK, with USA, with Peru, with Chile, with Australia, with New Zealand, with Oman, with Bahrain, Qatar. Our ambitions are to compete with the best in the world. With every one of them, we talk of a startup bridge. But I can't take to them grocery stores and say this is India's offering for startups.
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।